Caring for your dog, tips and tricks. There is no such thing as a perfect dog owner. You may look back regretfully on mistakes you've made, but the truth is that you're not alone. Learning from your mistakes is key, and this video should show you the right way to care for your dog, as it is chock full of advice from other owners like you. It is important for you to take your dog in to see the vet on a fairly regular basis. Just like humans, dogs can develop health problems like toothaches, arthritis and weight gain. Do not wait until you think your dog is sick before taking him in to be seen. If you decide to adopt a dog from a shelter, you should schedule an appointment with a veterinarian right away. A shelter is often a haven for kennel cough and other diseases. It's smart to ensure your dog has all shots necessary before you take him home. Make sure your dog engages in sufficient amounts of exercise. In order to stay fit and sharp-minded, a dog needs to spend plenty of time being physically active and playing constructive games. Whether you decide to take the dog for a walk or if you're just playing fetch, it will benefit both of you. In addition to providing much-needed exercise, you will develop a lifelong bond with your pup. Dog training requires you to be consistent. Once you decide you want to establish a rule for your dog, do not make any exceptions. Make sure everyone at home helps you enforce the rule, and encourage your guests not to let your dog jump on them or to not acknowledge your dog when it barks. Check and double check your fenced-in yard for spots your dog could escape through before letting him roam. The most secure method of keeping your dog outside is on a long run with a strong collar, but if you are comfortable that your fence can hold him, he'll enjoy that even more. Just make sure there's no room for error. Your dog needs both physical and mental exercise. Train him to do fun things like retrieve a ball. This will make your dog feel helpful and simultaneously keep your dog sharp physically and mentally. Always use a leash when your dog or puppy is out in public. This helps you make sure your dog always stays by you and prevents them from wandering off or getting into trouble. This can also help you restrain your dog if something upsets them so that they don't hurt another animal or person. It is essential that you get your dog vaccinated. Vaccinations will protect your dog from different types of illness and diseases. Most vaccinations are done at your dog's yearly checkup. Your vet can explain what each vaccination is for. The rabies vaccine is required by law in many different states. The truth is that no advice will be perfect either. Every single situation calls for different reactions, be it what to feed a dog or whether or not to take the dog to the vet. Your dog will be happy as long as you love them, and thankfully, that is the easiest part of the job. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.